Yes. I'm here. What do you want?
You trying to get out, Leo?
I think the cold air is cool. Cool it is, yes. Leo, you're not going to be able to stop the cold air. I know, but at least I've had fun trying. Okay, Leo, why are you guys not eating your beef? It smells crappy. It's the one you ate before. I know, but our tastes have changed.
Oh.
Do you think you'd like caviar? No, that probably sucks too. Okay, Leo, he was down here whining because we cut him off. Leo, do you think a different flavor of beef would help? Maybe, but we have gotten pretty picky. I think it's more like being spoiled. That's your term for it. How are you feeling? I'm feeling fine. Would you stop picking on your sister? No. No, you're going to hurt her. I try to be careful. What would you do if you hurt your sister? I won't. You know you're bigger than she is. Of course. That's why I can pick on her. Leo.
Leo, it's a bad attitude.
Maybe. But after all, we are cats.
You definitely are.
All right, is Bodacious around? Yeah? Yes, I hear you. Can you explain to us how you arranged that we found you in Baltimore? Before I came back, we worked with your guides, and they knew how to arrange it. They realized that you and Donna were working together and that she would be in Baltimore. So they chose my mother in Baltimore, and everything worked out.
Certainly did.
Certainly did. Do you have anything you'd like to say? Yes. I just want you two to know how much Leo and I love you. Sometimes we have to ignore you because we're cats. But we still appreciate all that you try to do for us. Are you going to start eating some of your beef? Not if you keep putting that crap in front of us.
Jeez. Okay, should we just take all these boxes of canned food up to Harrisburg and give them to Lynn?
You can take some of them.
Oh, what am I supposed to do with the rest?
Keep them for an emergency. If we really had to, we'd eat them. It's just that we realize Barry will keep trying to find something that we like.
Yes, Barry's a fish.
I wouldn't refer to him like that.
I would.
That's your choice. You're the one that has to live with him.
That's true. So do you.
How are you feeling, Bodes? Oh, how's your stomach doing since I changed the food a little bit? It is better, but sometimes I still get an upset stomach. If you ate the prescription food I got for you, maybe you'd feel better. That's a distinct possibility. But the prescription food sucks. Okay. You have anything else you'd like to say? Just that we really do appreciate all you try to do for us. it would be nice if you could stay home more.
We agree, totally.
But we do think you're going to sell the store and we'll be able to go home. It will be a lot better when we're back at the house.
Yes, it will.
Oh, thank you for not waking us up sometimes.
Is that you or the cat?
The cat.
Not waking you up when?
No, I said thank you for not waking us up
Oh.
sometimes.
Yeah.
I try not to wake Connie up, but I really like to sit on the chair with her.
Yeah, I figured that out, little one. Well, I would like to thank you for your habit that you've come up with to lay on the bed and take a nap while we're eating our dinner. We really appreciate that.
We do try. Okay, Leo, what else you got to say? I hear you meowing. Yes, there is one more thing. We know that you're going to be traveling today, so just be careful. There's a lot of traffic out there.
Darn.
Oh, hi, Leo.
Hi, buddy. That's my boy. Mr. Irresistible.
Yeah, just thought I'd jump up so the camera could see how handsome I really am.
You are a handsome boy.
Yes, Leo, yes. So you got anything else to say? No, I've made my appearance. I'm gonna just lay here. Did you have to turn your butt towards the camera? I thought that was a nice touch, because we are cats. All right.
Yes, you are.
Okay. So, then we're gonna say, you guys have anything else you want to say, either one of you? No, just be careful traveling today. We will. Okay.
We love you guys.
We love you too. You know that, even though sometimes we don't show it. Yes, you are cats. Correct. Okay. We'll see you.
Thank you, Roz.
Thanks, Ross.